And to answer the inevitable question that will be in the comments, no, the nose does not hurt. The nose will not hurt, at least in my experience. The recovery in the nose will not hurt. I don't know why it doesn't hurt. Maybe there's just no pain receptors or nerves in that area. What will start aching is this ear, which is where they took the cartilage out, put in the tip.
Earlier that morning. Now it's time to shave this 14.5-day quarantine beard. I am never growing my facial hair out like that again. A lot of you are gonna say my nose is fine, this guy's just vain, he's narcissistic. I personally think my nose looks fine, facing forward like this. Problem comes when I start looking left or right. The bridge, and then there's a bump, and then my nose droops. It looks kind of weird to me, at least. And that's all that really matters, that it looks weird to me, right? Another thing is, from the front, this area right here is what surgeons or plastic surgeons would like to call bulbous. And then maybe I'll have them raise the bridge by 1 millimeter or 2 as well to have that nice slope of a nose. Call it vanity, call it narcissism. I'd like to call it wanting to feel like you're the best looking version of yourself. Here's a couple things you need to know before you do the surgery so that you're prepared for it. Number one, you're not allowed to eat or drink anything like any other surgery at least 8 hours before the surgery. That includes water. Number two, you want to set up your bed the way you're going to be sleeping. I have an extra blanket propped up against the corner of the bed frame, and then my pillow is up against that. So I'm basically gonna be sitting straight up when I sleep. Number three, in order to help with the swelling, you're going to want to get some pumpkin juice. In Korean, it's the hobakjip, because apparently that helps with swelling. Also, they will give you ice packs and things like that to put over your swelling area, and that is, you're gonna have to do that, because if you don't, again, swelling is gonna be really bad, and if the swelling is really bad, it might affect your healing process. And the final note before I head out, wear something that is very easy to take off. Don't wear anything that you would need to pull over your head. Sweatpants it up. No one cares what you look like because you're gonna look like an orc anyway.
The time of the orc has come.
Stick around because I'm gonna be showing you what it's gonna be like pretty much every single day for the very first 2 weeks. After that, it just gets gradually better. So this time around, I'm gonna be doing my nose surgery at a clinic called The Iron, and once again through Seoul Medical. So if you're interested in any kind of these cosmetic procedures, pretty much anything to do with your appearance, please contact Seoul Medical to get a free consultation, and they'll take good care of you. Now let's get going.
It is -5 degrees today, so we're gonna be bundling up.
My taxi got stuck behind a truck.
There it is.
So now all we're doing is waiting for the final consultation where I'll tell them exactly what they want. They'll tell me again if it's possible or what it'll look like, or if I want, slight things changed, or like what I really want to do is raise put basically a 6 millimeter total into the bridge and then straighten out the tip so that it is like a straight line when I look to the side. And I'll ask them for their opinion of like, will it be okay? Will it look okay? Things like that. Because right now there's a 4 millimeter implant in there, and maybe I'm being greedy, I don't know, but it's just, I'm the only one that matters, right? My opinion is the only one that matters, right? If I think it looks good, then I'll feel more confident, and that will shine through in my day-to-day life. So I just finished my consultation with the surgeon, about the raising, the bridge and all that kind of stuff. He said the first thing that they'll do is fix my tip, and then they'll balance the rest of my nose based on the tip. I was just like, I'll just trust you. Just make me look good. I've also historically had breathing problems, and last time in the very first consultation, they figured out that it was actually my turbinates that was the problem. And so I asked the surgeon if they could help me with that, and yes, they're going to kind of slightly reduce the turbinates in this surgery as well, so hopefully I can breathe properly.
That's my surgery room.
I'm gonna go lie down on my bed now, or my little operating table, and then he's gonna do all the drawing of my face, and then we're just gonna start. So I'm gonna hand off my camera, and hopefully you can get the focus, because it's not autofocus.
실제로 보니까 더 낮아 보이네, 사진보다.
Hopefully this will turn out perfect this time. But this is not my first rodeo, so I'm not really that nervous, and I know kind of what I'm gonna have to expect during the healing process. Ooh, something is cold coming up my left arm. Must be the anesthesia. Real! After surgery, I'm groggy. I have no idea if I will remember any of this, but par for the course. I got out of surgery at 2:30 and I got into this room by 3 o'clock. So that's how long the surgery took. Big difference this time around. I can actually breathe through my nose right now. I guess the terminate surgery worked.
따가워요, 테이프?
네.
한 번만 더 따끔.
네.
미안. 이거 3시간 있다 떼고 조금만 더 누르고 있어요. 갈아입고. 주머니에 열쇠 있죠?
예.
걸을 수 있어요? 괜찮아요?
I'm about to go home now. I can't drink a cup of water until 30 minutes from now, so my throat is killing me.
They gave me a little pack with the ice thing, but it's not frozen. And a little bit of pumpkin juice. I do have to buy my own pumpkin juice later, and I'm gonna go to the pharmacy now, and hopefully they'll have like a pack of like 30 ho박 chip or something that I can get. Oh, there's donkeys! I've been greeted by a bunch of asses after my surgery. So the pharmacy is not actually connected to the clinic. I have to go to one, but there is one really close by. And that's where you get all your like prescriptions, your antibiotics, and other stuff. You basically have to look for a sign like that, but don't worry. The person who's taking care of you at Seoul Guy Medical will take care of all this for you. Typical little pharmacy here in Korea.
식사하시고 드셔야 되는 약이고 수술 부위에 바르실 연고예요.
So that is the hobakjip, so the pumpkin juice that'll help with the swelling. And since I'm probably going to be drinking that for a month, we're going to get the month pack. I thought I had to pay for the hobakjip, but
It's on us as well.
안녕하세요. Ugh. Because I got surgery to my ear, I can't really put the mask on properly, so I have to hold it in place. I gotta freeze that my eye pack as soon as possible, and then ice my eyes and lie the fuck down. It's a good thing you have the last ones from the last surgery. I wouldn't want to swell up again. They gave me this little nifty thing this time. I'm guessing it's just to cover your eyes so that you're not getting like the ice directly onto your skin. I know I said I wouldn't put anything over my head, but there's no way I'm gonna be living in a button-up shirt the entire time. This shirt has a really big collar, so I'm gonna give it a risk. Well, it worked. As you can see though, they bandaged up my ear because they took the cartilage from the left ear this time. I didn't think they'd take cartilage again, but maybe they take a little bit more cartilage or something. I'm pretty sure it's been half an hour since my surgery, so I'm definitely gonna try to get some water because my throat is thirsty as hell. Okay. Gotta make sure this middle part is tucked in because that is where my swelling swelled up the most last time. Peace. Water is such a crazy thing. I could drink like
bottles and bottles of that stuff when I'm thirsty. But when I'm not, it tastes like the most disgusting liquid in the world. But which is funny because you're technically supposed to drink like 4 liters of water a day or some shit like that. Or is it 8 liters? Except it's like a chore. But funny enough, you could drink like 4 liters of like beer or like juice a day, like no problem. So what is it about water that makes it so disgusting to drink, yet so sweet when you need it? Ah yes, can't forget the hobak chip. I'm gonna need a pair of scissors for this. Never mind, I'm a barbarian and I just ripped it with my fingers. Because I couldn't be bothered to find the scissors. Well, this is the unsweetened stuff. That was disgusting. This is for vanity's sake. I'm gonna be looking very ugly very soon, so hopefully the cuteness of the bunny hat will offset the orc-like appearance that I most certainly will adopt probably tonight. Wow!
It's pill time! Korean lesson time! 아침. This is morning or breakfast. 점심. This is lunch or like afternoon time. And 저녁, which is evening or dinner. I already took one set of the pills not on film because I'm actually streaming this entire recovery period on Twitch, twitch.tv/Haeppy Hour, HAEPPYHOUR. I'm sleeping in a sitting up position, as I said before, because this needs to be elevated, which is also another reason why I'm streaming and sitting on the chair, because I don't want to screw up my sleep schedule, even though I'm very, very tired. This is like 2 announcements in one. First day of surgery update, and also the fact that I am now streaming on Twitch. There should be at least like 400 of you watching, I hope. Well, I really hope there's more than 400 people watching this video. So that's the 7:50 p.m. update. I did go on Coupang and ordered a bunch of ingredients to cook and eat that should arrive tomorrow. And I got some white mushrooms that'll arrive on Tuesday. Tomorrow being Monday, December 1st, because you'll be seeing this video way after that. And once again, please go to my live stream, twitch.tv/HAEPPYHOUR. Shameless self-promotion. And so far, my experience for the first day is pretty consistent with my first day experience of the first time I had rhinoplasty. I'm not really super swollen yet. That will happen tomorrow after I wake up from going to sleep, which is another reason I don't really want to go to sleep. I'm kind of afraid of all the swelling because I am an extra hardcore swelling candidate. I swell way more than the average patient. Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to that. It is now past midnight. It is exactly 12:16 a.m. of December 1st. Incredible, we are now in the 12th month of the year. Am I in focus? I can't really tell, so I really hope I am. Somebody please buy me the A7S III so I can start worrying about this. Between the last pumpkin juice and this pumpkin juice, I have eaten an entire bowl of frozen mangoes. I don't have any frozen mangoes to show you because I ate them all. This, by the way, is where I stream. So please, once again, go to twitch.tv/Haeppy Hour, HAEPPYHOUR. I do have a wonderful amount of 18 viewers to watch me, which is very pitiful considering there's 25,000 of you, both on YouTube and Instagram. If after all this begging I don't get at least another 20 or 30 viewers on Twitch, I'm going to be very cross with you. Very cross. Oh, somebody told me to drink. Let me go ahead and drink a little bit of water first. So yes, second pumpkin juice of the night. Oh, this stuff is fucking horrible. Because there's no sugar in it for this particular brand. It's horrible. Take it from me, if you go through the experience, you definitely want the sweetened pumpkin juice, the one with lots of sugar in it. And now I will call it at night because, well, no, I won't call it at night. It's 12:30 a.m. I'm tired, but I'm not sleepy tired. So I'm going to keep streaming with my 22 loyal viewers, one of which is not you. So please, once again, twitch.tv/HAEPPYHOUR. I will be sleeping in this bed at the end of the night on that little slope, because as a reminder, you are not allowed to lie down. You don't want to keep this area either level or below your heart. That's not very good. You want it elevated above your heart. The higher the better. Keeps all the blood going down, I guess, and working harder to get up there so it doesn't and swell and stuff like that. Swelling is not good. We'll see what tomorrow is like, because from my past experience, day 2 and day 3 were the worst in terms of swelling. I'm actually pretty surprised that I'm not super swelling right now. That is a very, very welcome surprise actually, but I will. Don't you worry, I will. So I'm gonna get back to my streaming, and I reckon in the next couple of seconds you'll be seeing scenes of me sleeping, so you can tell, I guess, what it looks like when I go to bed, if you're interested in that.
Seoul is the capital of plastic surgery, skin, dental, vision correction, and other medical treatments. Seoul Guide Medical is here to find you the best doctors, the best procedures, and take care of you from start to finish. Contact us at consult@soulguidemedical.com for a free consultation with our specialists. Let us take care of everything and create a customized treatment plan that is right for you. We help you with airport pickup, accommodations, in-clinic translations, aftercare, and hold your hand every step of the way. Visit our website at soulguidemedical.com for more information. Soul Guide Medical. Happy patients, always.